Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Hi guys, it is day 62 of quarantine. And is it really quarantine if you don't fuck with your hair? Something to think about. Honestly guys, I'm surprised I didn't cut bangs. Like, you know, if you compare cutting bangs and dyeing your hair, I think dyeing your hair is the lesser of two evils. And I was actually pretty surprised. I thought I would cut bangs like 10 days into quarantine, but since I didn't, I'm gonna dye my hair. Okay, so I got the Liese. See, okay, so I hate it when like beauty gurus don't find out like how to pronounce things, and then now I am not pronouncing things. Not that I'm a beauty guru, I'm just like some normal person, but I'm just gonna figure out how to pronounce this, and I'll be right back. In Japanese.
With raspberry extract.
Okay, I found a TV commercial from 9 years ago.
A moisturizing hair mist with raspberry
English.
extract. Liese Juicy Shower.
Liese. Oh, it is Liese. Let's hear that again, okay?
Liese Juicy Shower.
Okay guys, we got this. Okay, so I am gonna try out this Liese Creamy Bubble Colour. So I picked the one in Cool Ash. Okay, so the reason why I went with Cool Ash is because my hair is getting a bit brassy, so it's turning a bit more orangey than I like. So I thought that, you know, if I use purple shampoo to tone my hair, so I would use purple hair dye to tone my hair, but in a more drastic way. You get what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna see how it goes. Keep in mind that my hair is bleached, so the color might turn out differently on my hair compared to someone whose hair is not bleached or lightened in any way. There is also a like little guide, so depending on like how light your hair is, it might show up differently. In hindsight, I should have gotten another box because it says here one box is enough to color shoulder length hair, whereas I have boob length hair, so I might need a second box, but it's okay, it's cool. So I'm just gonna see what we have in here. Unboxing. Okay, so we have a pump, a bottle. Is this solution 2? A repair treatment, and instructions, and also it says solution 1. So I'm just gonna go into the bathroom to mix all of these together, and then I'll be right out to dye my hair. See you guys in my bathroom. So I'm just gonna open up the instruction booklet. Okay, so over here we have an instruction booklet telling us what to do. So it says we have to do a skin allergy test. So we have to apply a little bit of solution 1 and solution 2 on your arm and see if you have a rash. But we're gonna skip that. They gave us gloves, which is cool. So the first instruction is to pour all the contents of solution 1 into solution 2. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is invert the container back and forth at a 180-degree angle until the solution is well mixed. So repeat 5 times. Okay. So next we're gonna remove the white lid and replace it with this foam bottle. Ta-da! After this, you're done, and then you can apply it to your hair. So I'm just gonna go back outside. It smells kind of, I don't want to say chemical because it's such a, you know, not a great word to use because everything is a chemical, but just know that it smells very like artificial. It smells like hair dye. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on the gloves and I'm gonna tie my hair and then we can start. So I just want to section my hair out so that it's more even. I'm also gonna put on the gloves that they gave. Okay, this is all coming together. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so when you squeeze it out of the bottle, it comes out in a foam, so that's actually pretty cool. Just gonna do this small portion of my hair. Okay guys, I am not a professional. This is my second time doing this, so okay. And in case you're wondering, I'm actually wearing my shirt inside out because this is my previous company's shirt and I don't think they want to be associated with a dumbass like me. I think this part is okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the top part now. As you can see, my hair is covered in foam. I use everything in this little bottle. So and now I'll wait 20 minutes. I'll wait 20 minutes for the color to set in and then I'll wash everything off. They gave this little like rinse off treatment which I will use as well, and we'll come back for the color review. Ta-da! So this is the color review. So my hair is now grey with like a blue tint to it. Like you can see the blue reflecting off the light. It's pretty obvious. I'm just gonna like bring you guys in so that you can see a close-up of my color. So I would say it is pretty grey, but then there are like some streaks of blue. So there is a bit of user error that I see here. So over here is more brassy, whereas the color here is more cool. So I think next time, like when I apply the foam, I should apply it more evenly. Yeah, so I think for box dye it worked really well because to me, box dye is always something that my mom uses or my grandma uses to cover up their grey hair. So it usually comes in this like 10 different shades of brown and it's not trendy to say, whereas this brand came up with, you know, like cooler colors. When I saw it in store, they had this color obviously, and they also had like different more trendy browns. I think one of them was like honey beige or like marshmallow brown or something, and then they also had like pink. Yeah, they had like pink beige or something. They also had mint ash, which I thought was interesting. So I think if cool ash, the color that I'm using now, is ash with a blue tint, I would think mint ash is ash with a green tint. So that's pretty cool. Dyeing my hair in a salon would have cost me, I don't know, like 200 ringgit, but then now since I have this box dye, it cost me about 25 ringgit. I bought it on sale. The box dye is usually 40 ringgit, but then now it is 25 ringgit, so it's a pretty good deal. So overall, I would like highly recommend this brand, Liese, and I think it's a great like alternative compared to going to the salon. I mean, if you do a better job than I did, you would have better results. Okay, so that's all for my review. All in all, I would highly recommend this product, Liese Creamy Bubble Colour in the color Cool Ash. I've not tried any other colors, so don't come for me if you try some other color, but Cool Ash is approved, okay? Just save some coin and dye your hair at home yourself. It's easy, it's manageable, and your results may vary like this, but it works, so I recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I'll be posting videos like every Sunday now, so it will be Sophia Sundays. It will be a thing and I will be posting videos. So I'll see you guys next time.